We are launching a boot camp specifically inside of Hustle University that will teach you how to use AI so that you can, one, make money, and two, perhaps be cool one day. You can use AI to become something that matters and stop being a piece of loser. AI is even more important than the Bitcoin you missed. It's more important than the DeFi you missed. It's more important than all the things I talked about. And when you miss that chance and you don't learn how to use AI, you're going to sit around in 5 years from now and go, hey man, I wish I could get in early on the next big thing. The big thing is here.
Today I'm going to be trying Andrew Tate's course called The Real World, and I'm going to specifically talk about the AI course. The AI course is one of Andrew Tate's new campus, which he introduced a few months ago. So what I'm going to do is use Andrew Tate's strategy in the content creation / AI campus, and I'm going to use AI to help me create content which I can then upload onto YouTube or TikTok, which in turn should allow me to make money online. So let me now join The Real World. So to join The Real World, I went onto the website and I filled in my details. Make sure you use my link in the description so you sign up with the correct link. Now once I filled in my details, I then paid the first installment of $49.99. And once I did that, I was in. And I'll show you what is inside The Real World, as well as the AI campus when you first join it. So guys, this is the Real World course over here. Now you can see there's different sections over here. Now if we go into the wins chat, we can see people posting their wins. Now this is a place where people show off the wins and they show money that they've made from the real world. You've got this person here who made over 6,000 euros using TikTok. You've then got this person that made over $4,000 off YouTube. So my first impressions of The Real World is that it looks like it works. Now there's a lot of different sections over here. You've also got something called Ask Pope. Here you can ask questions to the professor about this particular course. So if we click on that, you can see a lot of people asking different questions regarding AI, to which the professor does respond to and give out some help. So straight off the bat, this looks like a good course so far. Now when you go into the courses itself and click on courses right here, this will take you to the videos. So when you first click on it, you'll see different categories over here. So we'll start off where it says start here. Now I don't know how much to show, just in case Mr. Andrew Tate comes after me,
because I'll come along and destroy you.
This is the first video shown on the course.
Remember the time when you were a child and believed anything was possible? That one day you'll be powerful enough to materialize any thought with just a snap of your fingers. It's time to resurrect the creativity you once manifested. The Content Creation Campus will turn you into a lethal pro when it comes to making viral videos that people can't get enough of. Create videos that go viral using content creation essentials, color grading, sound production, and advanced post-production techniques. We've woven the fabric of content creation with revolutionary AI technologies, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, AI video, and sound. The Content Creation Campus houses the biggest AI creation hub on the planet. You'll learn how to transpire creative thoughts into existence. Unlock the winning ad formula for video content creation with my 6-figure ad creation strategy exclusive to The Real World, or build a personal brand as an influencer using talk to camera influential speaking skills. Everything related to content creation, one of the most sought after skills of this generation, can be leveraged and monetized. I will teach you how to create valuable digital assets and how to sell them. We live in a digital world. There is content worth more than skyscrapers, videos worth more than houses. Welcome to the digital age.
I can't lie, that was actually a sick video. The way they explained everything, just for an intro video, that's already got me hooked in. Now there are a lot of videos about content creation and how to use AI, and if I click on these two courses, it goes into depth about content creation using AI. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We are going to leverage AI to make us content, which in turn will allow us to make money. So first what I'm going to do is watch all the videos on Andrew Tate's course so I can best understand content creation and how AI can help with this. So after a few hours of me watching videos and understanding how the course works, I felt like I was finally ready to start taking action. And as Andrew Tate would say,
if you're going to watch the podcast and go, yeah, they're all pretty smart. Anyway, then you've wasted your time.
But honestly guys, the videos were extremely helpful, and what I've understood so far is that this course definitely seems worth it at $49. However, let's see if we can use the skills we learn and apply it in the real world. I was determined to make this work. So after doing some research of different AI content creation tools, I decided to use an AI tool called InVideo AI. This is a website where AI generates the video completely for me. But before we go on to that program, let me explain my plan. So guys, my plan is to make a whole YouTube channel on YouTube Shorts and try to make some money that way. So I had to first decide on a niche. I loaded up ChatGPT and asked it to give me some niches that I can do on YouTube Shorts. ChatGPT gave me a few niches, however I ended up picking this one. So now that I've got a niche, I've decided to make like a travel channel where I talk about top 5 places to visit in particular countries. Now as I had my niche, what I then decided to do is go back onto ChatGPT and ask it for some YouTube channel names. ChatGPT gave me this name and I was happy with it. I then went on to this AI website here and it created me a logo for my channel. And now I had my niche, my name and my logo. Now I quickly created a YouTube banner using Canva and then I created my channel, and this is what my channel looks like. And it was now time to start creating the content. So guys, I'm now going to go onto this website called InVideo AI. Now what makes this website so powerful is that I can create a full video with just one prompt. So let me show you guys an example. If I type in here, make me a haunted story, this is what the AI will make.
Picture this, a quaint town, nestled between towering mountains and a misty forest where all seems calm. But in the heart of the town stands a grand mansion, shrouded in an eerie silence. Legend has it, at the stroke of midnight, chilling whispers echo through its halls.
So as you can see, AI actually did a pretty good job. But what's cool about this is that you can give it more of a direction. For example, I'm going to type, make me a video about the top 5 places to visit in London. The AI will then make this video.
Ah, London, a city teeming with history, culture, and endless charm. In just 60 seconds, we'll whisk you off on a whirlwind tour of the top 5 must-visit spots in this grand metropolis. First, the iconic Tower of London. This 1,000-year-old castle holds secrets and stories that'll send shivers down your spine.
So now I have this AI tool that can essentially make me unlimited YouTube shorts, which I can then upload onto YouTube and make some money. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to create 2 YouTube shorts and upload them on the new channel that I created. So guys, I've made the YouTube shorts now, and honestly, this tool is absolutely amazing and I would definitely recommend using it. The tool is free to try. However, if you want to seriously make money, I'd recommend buying the monthly subscription, which only works out to be $20 a month. And what this subscription essentially does is allow you to remove these watermarks when you export your video. And for $20 a month for something that essentially makes me unlimited shorts with a few prompts is honestly a steal. Now I'll leave the link down below so you can sign up with InVideo AI and start making these YouTube shorts yourself. So I've made the 2 YouTube shorts and I've uploaded them onto my YouTube channel. And I'm going to give it 2 days and we'll see how they performed. Now before we continue with the video, I just want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Prime Opinions. Prime Opinions allows you to turn your opinions into cash. All you got to do is fill in some surveys and you'll get paid. It's literally as simple as that. And you can make as much as $5 per survey. These surveys take around 17 minutes, which means you can earn up to $15 an hour, all from the comfort of your own home filling out surveys. Now quick disclaimer, this won't replace your full-time job. However, it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. All you got to do is click my link in the description. So once you click my link, all you've got to do is put in your email address and sign up. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a $5 free bonus. Now also what's cool with Prime Opinions is that you can get paid in multiple ways. You can either get paid in cash, you can get paid in gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, as well as Visa gift cards. And if you look at the top over here, you can see the live payouts of real people earning actual money. So make sure you sign up today using my link in the description and start earning some money. It's literally a great way to earn some extra money on the side. So guys, it's roughly been 2 days now. So let's have a look at the results of the short. Also guys, just before I show you the results, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So as you can see over here, we've got 90 views, which isn't bad, with a 42.6% average percentage viewed and with 11 likes. And we also gained 4 subscribers, which isn't too bad. So guys, I only posted 1 short in the end because what I'm going to do is continually post on this YouTube channel and see how much I can grow it. So if you want to see an update on how this YouTube channel actually does, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. If I get enough people asking for it, I'll make a full update video. And if you're looking at other ways to make money online, well, make sure you click this video just over here and I'll see you guys there.